Hey guys, it is Friday here in West Virginia, and today we're doing our Free It Friday combined with our Wagon Wednesday. I kind of got a little behind this week on videos, and then the M2 auto hauler popped up, and I wanted to do a video on it, so that's why I kind of got pushed away from doing the wagon video. So we'll do it today, and we'll call it our Free It Friday also. And today's unboxing is based on the 69 Kingswood Estate wagon, like these guys you see in the background here. Except this one's labeled as a Johnny Lightning. Although we all know that it is an Autoworld casting. The body is anyways. The base is a new base for the Zinger. And the Zinger idea and name is part of Johnny Lightning. The motor and all that's Johnny Lightning. But overall, it is just an out-of-world casting. It's a new model, as it says, but where did it say that? Yeah, new model, new casting. But it is new casting for Johnny Lightning. It's an old casting for Autoworld. But since they're both owned by Round 2, it's okay. So anyways, this, as far as I know, is the 11th version of this casting, the 69 Kingswood Estate from Autoworld. There are 10 from Autoworld, which I showed you 9 in my last video with this guy up here that you can see a little bit in the corner here, the lead sled. And I think maybe by next week we will have the black counterpart to this guy, the bracket racer with the windows and the sticker that's done in a like semi-gloss black or something like that. So we'll be doing the video on it when we get it, and we will bring out all of these again to show you every release available, including this guy here, because I do not think there's a release A and a release B of this. I'm not sure though, because it says release 2, so I'm not sure if there's another color variant of this available, because usually when Johnny Lightning launches a Zinger, there's 2 variants. Same thing with any of their castings, really. There's always a double version. So here's version B. So there must be a version A out there somewhere. I just don't recall what it looks like. So I do need to get my hands on that, I guess. But as of right now, this puts me at 10 Kingswood Estates. I'm waiting for the black lead sled, and I need to find out what the other variant of this is. So that should be interesting to see. But I looked on eBay, I didn't see it, so I'll have to take a look again periodically to see if I can find version A, since this is version B. So anyways, this guy is really cool. The card art is really cool on this trader card, the grocery sledder. So pretty cool. The Zingers emblem with the cartoon square body up there, and Johnny Lightning, and their Street Freak series, and this one of 6,000 made. And then the facts about the casting. So let's see. So this casting can be made with both closed and exposed headlights. Yeah, we've seen that on Autoworld. So look for the closed headlight version in future releases. So this casting also has 2 exhaust options. It's been tooled to use either headers or side pipes. So that's kind of cool. We'll have to see with the side pipes. But yeah, this is actually still got an Autoworld body. So anyways, on the back side, it just tells you what's available in this release. Zinger, 69 Chevy Kingswood Estate, the 2011 Camaro, and your project in progress, 75 Super Beetle convertible, the spoilers, 50 Mercury Woody wagon, and Black with Flames, George Barris Emperor, and Boogie Van's 76 Ford Econoline van. So anyways, here is a look at version A and version B of the previous releases. So yeah, I need to find the version A of this Kingswood. And by then, they'll probably be releasing the closed headlight version. I just love this casting. I wish Autoworld would do some more conservative versions of it. So let's get this guy ripped off the card here and take a look at him. He's got a space waiting for him in our display case, and so does the black variant of the lead sled. Or maybe it's not a variant of the lead sled, but the counterpart to the lead sled. So, here you go. And as I said, it is nothing but Autoworld body, roof rack details, same thing. And the hood, the opening hood was available in all of them. So this has just got the hood removed. And it's got the big blower engine from Johnny Lightning Zinger stuffed into it. And then let's see what the plate says on this guy. Surf Rat. Kind of cool. And those engines, as you can see once we zoom in, they are die cast, which is pretty cool. Makes this a really heavy casting. So, these are two-piece composite molded plastic wheels. Die cast base, and as I said, it's a new base designed just for Johnny. And then this is the header style, as they were mentioning, and such. And then, well, since they're talking about hideaway headlights, I'm just trying to pull one of these out and see who has hideaways. Well, son of a bitch. There we go. Finally. There's a hideaway headlight variant of it. So, kind of cool. We'll be seeing that on a Zinger here pretty soon, hopefully. So, yeah, this is a casting that I will try to have all of them from Autoworld or Johnny. So as you can see, pretty cool details everywhere. Detailed tail lights and everything like that. And then the rear differential and the ladder bars are plastic, headers are plastic, wheels are plastic, and so forth. But still, you got very cool casting. So happy to add this to my collection. So, as I said, right now as it stands, I guess there are 12 69 Kingswood estates. And I'll just give you a quick look. There's the Zinger we just unboxed next to the lead sled. We have the black variant coming of the lead sled. And then here are the regular, like, more conservative variants. This one's kind of done up like a rat rod, I guess. It's in a satin black with some American style torque thrust wheels. And then you have the Woodies. There's 7 of the Woodies. Blue, yellow, green, white, red, gold, and black. Then you just have this matte black rat rod. Then you have the lead sled lettered up bracket racer. Then you have the more sleeper black bracket racer. And then these Zingers. So, interesting to see what they come up with for the next Zingers. So, thanks for watching, guys. We'll be back on Monday with some M2 Machines Mopars for you. So, enjoy the rest of your weekend.